Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Make multiple cuts on the paper cup. After that we are going to paste a double-sided tape on the base of the paper cup. Then we are going to weave a white thread on the paper cup like this. One after another we are going to complete it and adjust it using your fingers. Make it tight and then again start weaving like this. After that we are going to make a beautiful handle. We are going to put the beads on the wire like this, paste it and add more details, like we are going to add a beautiful lace around it like this. We are also covering the handle from the bottom surface like this using the wire and yarn, and we are going to roll the yarn around the handle using hot glue gun, and then we are going to paste a beautiful white lace, add more flowers, and look at these beautiful pretty baskets. Look at this empty plastic container. Let's decorate it. We are going to paste these small pieces of wire around it. After that we are going to cover the base using a jute fabric and hot glue gun. After this we are going to weave this jute rope around the box like this. Cut the excess wires and then we are going to twist another jute rope and then roll it around it. We are going to beautify the lid as well. We are pasting a beautiful pearl and jute rope and complete it using this lace, and look at this beautiful container and the lid. Thank you so much for watching this video.